Hello friends, welcome to all of you in our YouTube channel Government Job Server. Yes friends, today we will talk about which vacancy have come out in the month of August. Today we are talking about the recruitment from which going to release in government jobs. Today we are going to tell you all about the top 5 vacancies which come out in the month of August. So some jobs have been released in the last week of July and some are going to be released in the starting of August and September. The last date to fill the form for this job will be on September ending or till mid-October. If we talk about filling the form for this week government jobs, then if we are a fresher or you have passed 10th, 12th or graduate, then you can apply from this job. So friends, let me tell you the almost 50 to 60,000 vacancies are there where no exam will be conducted. Yes, there is direct recruitment, you just have to submit the application form. And there are many vacancies in this where no fee will be charged from SC, ST, female candidates and ex-servicemen. So here you have to apply direct, means direct recruitment, where you just have to fill up an application form and apply for the job. And your final result will come in your mail whether you have been selected or not. These are some jobs for which you will have to be 10th pass or for some 12th pass. And for some jobs you will have to be graduate or degree holder, which you can apply after passing out from any recognized institute. So you are 10th, 12th or graduate pass or a degree holder, then you can apply directly for this job. So friends, if you submit the form by July or August, then you can assume that your selection will be done by December. So without delay, apply the form now. And yes, if we talk about the vacancies which are rolled out, then not only all the government jobs are there. There are also some private jobs which you will be able to apply, but we talk about most of the government jobs only. So in this video, I will tell you that how to fill the form, how do you apply, which official website will be there, when did this recruitment come out, and what will be its last date. Everything will be clear you in this video. And at the same time, we will tell you that your selection for which jobs will be done, or the merit basis, or which will be done, or the direct selection we will cover all in this video. So friends, the first recruitment that has come out from Bell. Friends, if we talk about the post release in Bell, then there are project engineer vacancies. In this, these recruitment have come out for a total of 17 posts, which you can apply from anywhere from India. Also, if we talk about the mode of applying, then you can do it throughout online. Along with this, if we talk about the age limit, then candidate of at least 21 years and maximum of 28 years can apply. Friends, if we talk about the fee which you need to pay for applying for this job, then general OBC candidates will need to pay 100 rupees to apply for this job. And apart from this, there is no fee for SC, ST, PWD and women's candidates, which you have to submit from online by credit card, debit card or net banking. And yes friends, if we talk about the qualification, then to apply this job, candidate have to BA, BE, BTech, BSc engineering degree or 4-year course. Friends, this recruitment will start from 5th August 2023 to 10th October 2023. So if you want to apply for this job, then you need to apply till about 12 o'clock of 15th October 2023. Friends, if you want to submit an application for this job, then I have given the application about this job in the description below. So you can go there and apply directly. Apart from this, the second biggest recruitment that has come out in the NTPC. But before giving you information about this job, we request all of you that if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel till now, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the subscription bell so that you get notified about the latest government job vacancies. Friends, if we talk about the post release in NTPC, then there are survivor vacancies. In this, these recruitment have come out for a total of 39 posts, which you can apply from anywhere from India. Also, if we talk about the mode of applying, then you can do it through online. Along with this, if we talk about the age limit, then candidate of at least 25 years and maximum of 42 years can apply. Friends, if we talk about the fee which you need to pay to apply for this job, then general OBC candidate will need to pay 200 rupees to apply for this job. And apart from this, there is no fee for SC, ST, PWD and women's candidates, which you have to submit from online by credit card, debit card or net banking. And yes friends, if we talk about the qualification, then to apply this job, candidate have to bachelor's degree in engineering or technology and AMIE. And this recruitment will start from 26 July 2023 to 21st August 2023. So if you want to apply for this job, then you need to apply till about 12 o'clock of 21st August 2023. And apart from the third biggest recruitment has come out in the NLC. And if we talk about the post release in NLC, then there are non-engineering graduate accountants vacancies. In this, these recruitment have come out for a total of 14 posts, which you can apply from any corner of India. Also, if we talk about the medium of applying, then you can do it out online. Along with this, if we talk about the age limit, then children of at least 18 years and maximum of 35 years can apply. Friends, if we talk about the fee involved in general, OBC children will need to pay 100 rupees to apply for this job. And apart from this, there is no fee for SC, ST, BW and women and children, which you have to submit through online by credit card, debit card or net banking. And yes friends, if we talk about the qualification, then to apply this job, children have to pass graduate degree. Friends, this recruitment will run from 5 August 2023 to 16th October 2023. So you can apply till about 12 o'clock in the night of 16 October 2023. Friends, if you want to submit an application for this job, then I have given the application link of this job in the description below. So you can go there and apply directly. Friends, today's fourth biggest recruitment has come. Friends, if we talk about the post release, then there are E&D specialist vacancy. In this, these recruitment have come out for a total of 1 post, which you can apply from any corner of India. Also, if we talk about the medium of applying, then you can do it through online. Along with this, if we talk about the age limit, then children of at least 20 years and maximum of 28 years can apply. Friends, if we talk about the fee involved, then general OBC children will need to 200 rupees to apply for this job. And apart from this, there is no fee for SC, ST, PWD and women and children, which you have to submit through online by credit card, debit card or net banking. And yes friends, if we talk about the qualification, then to apply this job, children have to pass MBBS. Friends, this recruitment will run from 8 August 2023 to 1st October 2023. So you can apply till about 12 o'clock in the night of 1st October 2023. Friends, if you want to submit an application for this job, then I have given the application link of this job in the description below. So you can go there and apply directly. And apart from this, the last biggest recruitment has come out in the same. Friends, if we talk about the post release, then there are nurse vacancies. In this, these recruitment have come out for a total of 2 posts, which you can apply from any corner of India. Also, if you talk about the medium of applying, then you can do it through online. Along with this, if we talk about the age limit, then children of at least 18 years and maximum of 30 years can apply. Friends, if we talk about the fee, then general OBC children will need to 450 rupees to apply for this job. And apart from this, there is no fee for SC, ST, TWB and women and children, which you have to submit from online by credit card, debit card or net banking. And yes friends, if we talk about the qualification, then to apply this job, children have to pass the diploma or BSc. Friends, this recruitment will run from 8 August 2023 to 2nd October 2023. So you can apply till about 12 o'clock in the night of 2nd October 2020. Friends, if you want to submit an application for this job, then I am giving the application link of this job in the description below. So you can go there and apply directly. So friends, If you like the information given by us, then like the video as much as possible, share it with your friends as much as possible so that they also get information and can get similar types of information related to Sarkari daily job. For more information about daily government jobs, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the subscription bell so that you can get the notification of the next video first.